One day, Gordon was complaining. Why should he get a new shape? If anything, I deserve a new shape. I mean, I do work the hardest. Not to mention, he goes off to crew, leaving us to do his work as well as our own. It's disgraceful.
He's not lying. We've been picking up the slack even before you left for crew.
And there's another thing, James. Henry whistles too much. I mean, no respectable engine whistles loudly at stations. It isn't wrong, but I mean, we just don't do it.
Oh, a bit shitty.
Oh, you two are just jealous. Don't listen to him, Henry. I was pleased to hear your happy whistle yesterday.
I'm not paying them to any mind.
Later, Henry chucked into Edward Station.
Hello, Henry. I was sure to hear your happy whistle yesterday,
Said Edward.
Thank you, Edward. I'm glad to be working again.
Suddenly, they heard something.
Do you hear something?
I think it's Gordon. It's sure to be Gordon. He comes through with the express around this time.
It was Gordon. He was thundering with the express down the hill with a tremendous rate. He didn't look at Henry, and he didn't look at Edward. He was gone away in a cloud of steam.
Well, look at that.
Haha, it isn't wrong. We just don't do it.
Meanwhile, Gordon screeched along the line. The noise was awful. Even people near the railway called the police. And at the station, the passengers covered their ears. Even the fat controller covered his ears too. He gave orders, but no one could hear him. Even his own words were drowned by Gordon's loud whistle.
Take him away and stop that blasted whistle.
What's that noise? Is that Gordon? Oh. Oh. My Gordon, you're in a silly situation.
Oh, be quiet, James. Gordon wouldn't stop until